Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. Today I will share with you my Factor 75 trial. Factor 75 is a meal company that delivers fully prepared meals to your door. Their website is pretty straightforward. You just have to create an account, select how many meals you would like to receive, and a diet plan. Then the menu changes every week. You can choose to get a random box with recipes they pre-select for you, or you can modify and select other meal options available for that week. And once again, a big thanks to my friend Dee. She's always sharing her free boxes with me. So I'm getting this box completely free. This is a pre-cooked meal delivery service. You just have to heat, eat, enjoy. No prep, no mess. And for my first box, I did select the horseradish shredded beef, Greek lemon chicken, green chili chicken, and a creamy Parmesan chicken. After choosing your meals, you do have to save your selection and they will let you know when your box will arrive. Factor also offers other products that you can add to your box, like shakes, sides, desserts, snacks, but of course, for an additional cost. I do like to remind you, I'm not sponsored by Factor. This is my honest review and opinion. They do allow you to prepare for the week ahead, so you can select your meals or you can skip the week altogether. Factor will give you a code to share with family and friends so you can get boxes with discounts. I will leave my link on the description box below just in case you would like to try. Now, all we have to do is wait for the box to arrive. My Factor box is here, so let's see what we have inside. But before we do that, please like the video, that helps the channel so much. If this is your first time here, don't hesitate and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, let's get unboxing. As you can see, they made sure that the box was very well insulated to keep everything nice and cold. Then the next thing you see, it's an envelope which they add in here with some perks. And it looks like it's a wine voucher. And it looks like they included 3 free boxes so I can share the love. Now we have an ice pack. And you see the meals. The meals do come individually packed. You can put them in the fridge or in the freezer. Now I'm checking to see if the meals were the meals I did select, which they were. Please let me and everyone know if you have tried Factor and what you think of this meal company. And now you see another ice pack on the bottom of the box. I do have to say the meals got here very cold, somewhat frozen, so that was a plus. So my first Factor box, it's all unpacked. And now, let's get cooking. And for the first meal, we have the Greek lemon chicken, which comes with roasted potatoes and green beans. You do have to remove from the packaging, then you have to make some holes with a fork or a knife. Now microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove the plastic, and it's ready to eat. For the second meal, we have the horseradish shredded beef. It comes with smashed potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts. Same thing here, remove from the package, make some holes, and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. For this meal, you do have to remove the sauce cup before microwaving it. Then remove the plastic and go for it. And for meal number 3, we have creamy Parmesan chicken with roasted broccoli and tomatoes. Again, same cooking instructions. All these meals are made from grass-fed and pasture-raised meats with no antibiotic, hormone-free, and no GMO, so super healthy. On the back of each meal sleeve, you will find the heating instructions, nutrition facts, and ingredients. And we are ready to eat meal number 3. And last but not least, meal number 4, green chili chicken with Mexican cauliflower rice and queso blanco. And once again, same instructions, make some holes and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, remove the plastic, and enjoy. I know, these meals are lacking a good presentation, but this week was super busy for us, so it was awesome to come home, pop these meals in the microwave, and have dinner in a couple minutes. Now for my honest review. The meals were truly delicious. I felt like we were eating at a restaurant. I love the convenience of having prepared meals. These would be awesome for someone that for some reason needs to go on a diet. They make sure all your needs are met. But at the end of the day, they are microwaved meals, and although this box cost me nothing, this meal plan would get expensive very quickly. The regular cost for 4 meals is $69.99 without any add-ons. Would I try it again? Sure. Would I do it every week? No. It's just not a good fit for us. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I hope to see you next week. Ciao!